How to find direct deposit or void check information in Simplii Financial. Log in to your Simplii online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Account Summary section. Select the account for which you need the direct deposit. Look for the option to view account details or settings. Locate the section specifically for direct deposit or void checks. You may find the information listed directly, including your account number, transit number, and institution number, which are typically required for direct deposits. If you cannot find the information online, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.